Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to join the Ocean Cleanup event in Heartopia. So in this Call of Whales event, there are a new hobby and new event, the Ocean Cleanup event like this. This event, you can join it when it's hosted by NPC Oliver every 8:30 p.m. Or you can also start it yourself by paying it with the thousands code. So in here I want to try to start it by myself. First, just track these locations for the Ocean Cleanup event locations. Just track it. It's located on Whalefall Area, and then you can see this device. Just tap on it. This oceans pollutions accumulation device, and then in here just tap start an oceans cleanup event to start the event. And then in here you need to pay with 2000 code, so make sure you have enough code. And then next just tap on confirm, and then you will automatically start the event. And then in here you can invite the friends like this, and then after that just wait until all your friends arrive. And okay, when your all friends are arrive, and then just start the event like this. And then after that you can just join the event. You can clean the pollutants nearby your character like this. Just clear many pollutants. And then in this event you can also clean the giant pollutant like this. Like this, just join the event until its end, and after the event ends you can claim rewards like this. You can claim a personal goals reward and team rewards like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.